Okay, so let me show you the setup. These are the displays. One more here, and this is the truck. I will show it to you from all directions. Okay, now we have the truck parked here right next to 7th Avenue on 45th Street. So yeah, we have the displays. We have one monitor here, one monitor. This one is active. Usually both sides, both monitors are active. On the other side of the truck, there are two more monitors. They are now closed. And yep, and we are right here in Times Square, so I will show you. Gecko is already getting business here. Right here, there's no restriction, there's no regulation for vendors. Everybody is doing whatever they want. There's a lot of traffic here. It is now 10:30 and it is Tuesday. It's usually a slow day, but Times Square is full of people, and we're right here, right in the middle, 45th, where used to be Virgin Records or whatever used to be. And there you go, there is the truck, very close, just 20 feet. So we are looking for a couple of guys and girls to do some business here, to get the customers, Yep, there's a lot of people. Even Tuesday, slow day. We are cranking money, printing pictures and designs on t-shirt right here in the middle of Times Square. So now let me show you the truck. Yep, all you have to do is to stay here, take the pictures, point at the truck. When you bring the customer, maybe I can process, or maybe you can process the designs. After the design, it's after you process, it takes 1 minute to produce the t-shirts. Yeah, it takes 1 minute to produce the t-shirts, and this is how it look like. Yep, you see, we are already here in Times Square as well. We're gonna attend all the events, big events in the city. Well, that's it for the moment. The quality of the print, it's very, very good quality. The pictures, if the pictures are good, these are of course our old pictures from before. And now we have more pictures, and this is okay. Let's exit the advertisement and jump into the design program in which you are familiar, I guess. Gecko, say. Okay, I'm doing a video for the truck. Now we are back in business. Ladies? Yep. There you go. The t-shirt truck in the middle of Times Square. There you have it. It's very easy to access the truck. It's just 20 feet from the curb from 7th Avenue. We don't have problems with the police. For some reason, after the COVID, the police doesn't say anything to anybody. Nobody is checking tax IDs, all these old vendor stuff. It's just very easy. And we actually came here at 5 p.m. today. You know, now 10:30. We came at 5 p.m. and we have been working since 5 p.m. So Yeah, this is the video. Now if you've been working in Times Photo, you are welcome. If you come in New York for a while, for a couple of days, you can you can participate in the program. The money is good. Yep, the money is very good. So that's it.